Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Haryana. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. The application form will be provided by the applicant by the concerned branch bank. They have to fill in all the necessary details in the application form, and then they must carry the needed documents, both photocopy and original, along with them while reaching the office. Document needed for this procedure is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of required document along with the application form while submitting. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is processed, any update on the application status and the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through email, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office website online. Under the contact us option of the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. They have to compose the email to the respective email address and then add the details of the mutual fund number and the Aadhaar number, requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual fund. The applicant has to attach a scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, a concerned authority will check the submitted application and document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. Then the application will be processed further. All updates on the application status and the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number or as a reply to the same email sent by them. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant has to reach out to the respective mutual fund office through SMS. They have to type the message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number. The process completion and application status will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process will be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.